What are the challenges of maintaining a national species checklist? If you're curious about the intricacies of maintaining a national species checklist, you're about to uncover some fascinating and complex challenges. Let's break it down step by step. First, deciding on a classification system is no easy task. There isn't a single classification system that all biologists agree on, and different systems can reflect different evolutionary relationships based on the data and analyses used. This means compilers have to choose a system that works best for their needs, while also being aware that this system is just one of many possible interpretations. Another challenge is keeping the checklist up to date. Taxonomic changes are constant due to new research and discoveries. For instance, species can be reclassified, new species can be discovered, and some species might even go extinct. Reflecting these changes in the checklist requires continuous monitoring and updates. The scope of the checklist is also a significant issue. National checklists can cover a wide range of species, from birds to plants, and even include subspecies, varieties, and cultivars. Deciding which species to include and how detailed the information should be can be daunting. For example, should the checklist include only threatened species or all species within a particular kingdom? The policy on which species to include needs to be clearly documented to ensure consistency. Compiling and maintaining these lists involves significant costs and resources. It requires access to relevant literature, online biodiversity data resources, and often the expertise of taxonomists. However, not all countries have the resources or experts to compile and maintain such detailed checklists. Non-experts with knowledge of nomenclature and taxonomy can also contribute, but the process is time-consuming and labor-intensive. The format of the checklist is another critical aspect. It should be accessible and easy to use for a wide range of compilers and users. Electronic formats are recommended because they allow for regular updates, cost-effective dissemination, and the ability to manipulate and search the data in ways that are not possible with hard copy books. This ensures the checklist remains dynamic and useful over time. Organizing the information within the checklist is also a challenge. Species are typically listed alphabetically within their respective genera and families, but sometimes phylogenetic ordering may be used instead. Ensuring that the list is scientifically credible and accommodates different viewpoints while providing clear guidance for non-specialists is a delicate balance. Finally, making the checklist available to a wide audience is crucial. Ideally, national checklists should be integrated and coordinated from a single platform, such as a website, to avoid fragmentation and ensure that the information is easily accessible to all stakeholders. This centralization helps in monitoring diversity and coordinating taxonomic changes effectively. In summary, maintaining a national species checklist involves navigating complex classification systems, keeping up with constant taxonomic changes, defining the scope of the checklist, managing costs and resources, ensuring the format is user-friendly, organizing the information effectively, and making the checklist widely accessible. These challenges highlight the importance and the effort required to create and maintain such a valuable resource.